Welcome to our channel, where we deliver daily, top-quality videos to help you discover the best products out there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gaming with a focus on the PlayStation 5. If you're on the hunt for the best PS5 headsets, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you never miss out on our expert product insights. Let's get started. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis 7P. Specification. Drivers, 40mm. Frequency response, 20 to 20,000 Hz. Microphone, retractable wire boom, and bidirectional. Connection types, 2.4 GHz wireless via USB-C dongle, and analog, 3.5mm. Estimated battery life, 24 hours. It is a great overall headset made specifically for PlayStation. SteelSeries Arctis line of headsets is incredibly well-rounded. They're comfortable and deliver sharp sound and a solid connection. The PlayStation-specific Arctis 7P delivers the best bang for your buck if you're looking specifically for a PS5 headset. Technically, it also works on Nintendo Switch and Android phones with USB-C, too. If you also want to play on PC or Bluetooth support to pair with a phone, the more expensive Arctis 9 is also an excellent choice. Number 2. Asus ROG Delta S. The Asus ROG Delta S sounds incredible and comes with loads of stellar features, including MQA audio codec support, customizable RGB lighting, and more. The Asus ROG Delta S is, if nothing, distinctive. A concentrated burst of flashy features, like an internal quad DAC, triangular ear cups, RGB lighting, and support for master quality authenticated, MQA, the high-fidelity legacy encoding format of streaming services like Tidal's master quality audio. Normally, overloading a headset with showy bells and whistles is a red flag, a sign that maybe the headset underneath all the features isn't so great. In this case, however, those features are all icing on the cake, so to speak. The Delta S delivers sharp audio across its range and a rare level of clarity among gaming headsets. It is a USB wired headset, so you will need to have a cable running from the front of your PS5 to your head, but with a 5-foot cable and a 3.2-foot extension cable, it isn't as restrictive as other wired models. Plus, it sounds really good. Number 3. SteelSeries Arctis Prime. Everything about the Arctis Prime is simple and clean. Simply put, it is the best analog-only headset I've ever used. I'm continually surprised to find myself returning to the Arctis Prime over and over. As an esports headset, its simple design focuses on the basic functions of a headset. It needs to sound clear, and it needs to make you sound clear. It excels on both counts, thanks to high-fidelity drivers previously reserved for SteelSeries' most expensive headset, the Arctis Pro, and a noise-canceling microphone. Pros. Suspended headband is very comfortable. 3.5mm connection means it works with every platform. High-fidelity drivers sound better than most 3.5mm headsets. Cons. Limited customization. A bit expensive for a limited feature set. Number 4. Sony PlayStation Pulse 3D. Sony's own headset is designed to take special advantage of the PS5 spatial audio technology. The Sony Pulse 3D, PlayStation's own PS5 wireless headset, is a unique and, in some ways, perplexing device. Its cavernous ear cups create a great soundstage that gets the most out of the console's spatial audio tech, Tempest, and makes games sound great, particularly when you compare it to other headsets at the same $99 price point. That said, it uses internal microphones, similar to what you'd find on a pair of wireless, productivity-focused noise-canceling headphones, rather than a boom mic. Even with noise reduction tech, you can expect them to let in more ambient noise than other microphones. Hence, the caveat. The Pulse 3D is an excellent budget-conscious headset pick if you're looking to get the full audio experience out of the PS5, but don't care so much about chat quality. And if you do care? Check out the flagship Sony InZone H9 wireless gaming headset, which adds active noise cancellation, like the consumer WH-1000XM4, and a flip-to-talk boom mic. Combined, the tech in the InZone lets you zone into the game. Number 5. Razer Barracuda X. The Barracuda X offers solid sound and a versatile wireless connection thanks to its USB-C dongle. The Barracuda X is the move for players who care about convenience above all else. With a USB-C wireless dongle, it easily pairs wirelessly with the PS5, Switch, PCs, and most modern Android phones. Its balanced sound profile doesn't punch your eardrum with bass like lesser headsets, which narrowly puts it over much of the mid-to-budget wireless pack. That said, it doesn't achieve the same level of nuance or audio isolation as the other headsets on this list. Even so, the Barracuda X is the closest thing to a one-size-fits-all wireless headset that I've tried, and that's valuable for a lot of players. Pros: USB-C dongle works with almost every core gaming device. Affordable. Good battery life. Cons: sound is good, but not quite as impressive as other picks.